So my experience began probably a year before I actually came, when I had heard about the medicine. And so I'm a trained researcher and in the healthcare field. And, and so I did all of my research up front and working through understanding what the medicine is. And the more I came to know, I realized now that that was the beginning of my process. That was the medicine working through me already. And so from start, I came a day early. I do recommend people come a day early to get acclimated to, especially if you're coming to Sacred Valley, and give yourself some time and space before you get here with yourself, so that you can start to process what it is that you're experiencing. In my case, I have or had what's called PTSD, anxiety and depression. I've been struggling with suicidality since I was a little child, and so I knew there was a lot of work ahead of me, and I had been doing a lot of work using traditional Western medicine approaches to the treatment for mental illnesses in the United States. Some minor incremental improvements, but not anything like what this medicine will do for you. I think my first advice would be to open your heart up to trust in this team. These are professional, the top of the healthcare professionals I have ever worked with. And I've worked in state health administration. I've worked in private sector, nonprofit healthcare organizations. And this team is phenomenal. And please, please, when you're contemplating this, open your heart and your mind to finding the treatment center that is going to give you the support and love and care that you need. And for me, Arkana Center is the epitome of what I think every facilitator or facility that provides this medicine should be. You can trust them. You can trust them with every fiber of your being. And there's going to be times where you might not feel that because of your anxieties. But if you let go and trust this process, on the back side of it, you will have profound understanding of yourself, of the world, and what you experience on a day-to-day basis. And in some cases, it's ecstasy. In some cases, it's a lot of hard work. So you have to prepare yourself. And it's not just coming here and going through the process and then it's done. It's continuation for the rest of your life. And it is all what you're willing to do for yourself, and knowing that you deserve it, and that you deserve a treatment center like this to trust your care and your being. This is your family. I hope you come soon.